Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Doctor's Corner. Today we are going to discuss about the new regulations of the NMC for the batch 2022, that is the students who are admitted in the first year of MBBS in the year 2022. So what are the subjects they are going to study in their curriculum? Okay, so there are slight changes. So according to NMC, that is the National Medical Commission, nmc.org website. So according to that National Medical Commission, in the year 2019, okay, they have changed the curriculum, that is the competency based medical education, so called known as CBME. Okay, so they have divided the chapters of various subjects into the competencies, and they have laid the curriculum. So that is known as the Graduate Medical Education Regulation, that is the GMER rules of 2019. Again, in the year 2021, they have changed certain subjects which are to be studied in a particular year or particular phase. Now for this current batch of year 2022, there are certain changes in the subjects to be studied. So just in this particular video we are going to discuss about the new curriculum for 2022 batch. Okay, this current batch supposed to start from 15th of November 2022. Okay, so I'll just tell the subjects and the duration. Okay, as you know that MBBS course is of around 4.5 years. Okay, so 4.5 years and 1 year internship. Okay, so this MBBS course, now it is also known as this MBBS graduate is known as IMG, that is the Indian Medical Graduate. So according to the NMC, for this particularly 2022 batch students, what subjects they are going to study, so I'll just highlight that in this particular video. So first year or first professional year, okay, first year or first phase. Okay, so in this particular first year, which subjects they are going to, the students will be studying which subjects and what will be the duration of these subjects, we are going to see in this particular video. So in the first professional year, so the duration of this first professional year is around 13 months, which includes foundation course, examination, vacation, everything. So in this 13 months duration, 3 subjects to be studied. What are the 3 subjects to be studied in this 13 months? Anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. Okay, however, there is one more subject known as community medicine or preventive and social medicine. The classes for that subject will also be taught in this first MBBS. Also there is something known as family adoption. It is new family adoption program, so wherein around 5 to 6 students will adopt one family, and they are going to in the rural area, particularly in a rural area. Time won't permit me to tell the details about that. In the next video I'll try to tell the details about that family adoption program. Right now, just in this particular section, in the first year, the family adoption program will be for the 9 weeks. So in 9 weeks they have to visit a particular family for a duration of 4 hours each visit. Okay, so now in the second MBBS, that is the second professional year, again the duration is 13 months for this. So earlier, before 2019, 4 subjects was taught in this particular second MBBS or the second phase, that is pathology, microbiology, pharmacology and forensic medicine. But for this particular 2022 batch, only 3 subjects will be taught, that is pathology and microbiology, finally pharmacology. Okay, so only 3 subjects will be taught in this particular second MBBS. Okay, it is of duration of 13 months. Now the third MBBS is divided into part 1 and part 2. Okay, part 1 and part 2. So in the part 1, earlier there were 3 subjects: community medicine, PSM and ophthalmology. Now they have reduced the duration of the third year part first to just 10.5 months, that is 10.5 months. Okay, and only 2 subjects to be studied in this duration of 10.5 months. What are the 2 subjects? Preventive and social medicine, that is also known as community medicine, and the next subject is forensic medicine and toxicology. Okay, forensic medicine and toxicology. So these subjects to be taught in the third MBBS part 1 in a duration of 10.5 months. However, in this particular third MBBS part 1, again there is something known as electives. Okay, so for that electives, around 15 days are reserved. So in the 15 days duration, electives from the pre and paraclinical subject, that is from this first and the second MBBS subjects, to be till third phase part 1, student has to select their own interested subject, okay, and they will be posted for the 15 days in that particular lab or particular department. For example, pathology, if someone is interested to study the pathology, then the student will be posted in the department of pathology for 15 days, similarly to the other branches. Okay, however, now third MBBS part 4, the major change here is in the third MBBS part 4. So earlier it is for only just 13 months duration, okay, 13 months duration, but now they have increased the duration to around 17.5 months, which include everything, that is the curriculum, the examination, the vacation, the results. It has to be announced in this duration of 17.5 months. So what are the subjects to be which will be taught in this? So it is general medicine or internal medicine, then general surgery, then pediatrics, that is the branch deals with the children, that is the child specialist, so-called child specialist subject. Then fourth one is the OBG, obstetric and gynecology. So earlier only 4 subjects was taught in this duration of around 13 months in the final MBBS, but now they have included ENT and ophthalmology also. ENT and ophthalmology also in this final MBBS part 2. Also there will be a 15 days elective posting, 15 days elective posting in this third MBBS part 2 of the clinical subjects. So students who are interested in any of these clinical subjects, that is ENT, ophtho, general medicine, general surgery, pediatric, ophthalmology, and the small subject like skin, anesthesia, radiology, psychiatry, orthopedics, okay, this will be dealt in this major subject. For example, orthopedics will come under general surgery, and general medicine includes the other subjects. Okay, so this will be studied under this subjects. So they will select a particular top subject for 15 days as an elective posting. Okay, so earlier this elective posting was for 1 month duration. So first elective posting in the third phase part 1, that was about 1 month, and second was again 1 month. Now they have reduced the 15 days. So totally if we see this 13 months, 10.5 months, and this 17.5 months, it will be equal to around 4.5 years course, that is around 54 months. And after that there will be 1 year internship. Okay, 1 year compulsory internship. Okay, so this is this syllabus or curriculum for the first year MBBS students who have joined the MBBS course in the year 2022. Okay, so the major changes here is in this third phase part 1, ENT and ophthalmology is now to be studied in the third phase part 2, that is in the final MBBS, and electives of around 15 days. Then other things like family adoption program is included along with yoga and other things, okay, of CBME. So that's all for this today's video. In this YouTube channel of Doctor's Corner, we will be bringing the video lectures of all the competency based medical education syllabus topics, right from anatomy to final MBBS. So please subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.